Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be making mochi dough. For the recipe, we need milk, rice flour, sugar, vanilla extract, and vegetable oil. Begin with adding 1 cup of milk and sugar and start stirring until the sugar is dissolved. Add 1 tablespoon of oil for moisture and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for a nice flavor. Now add 100 grams of rice flour and continue stirring so you don't get a lumpy dough. Once the dough gets thick, mix with your spatula. Now the mochi dough is well cooked and ready. Hope you enjoyed it.